Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to write about the function in here and here. So the graph of this one we have like this. The graph of this one we have like this. Now we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have y and y, so we can put like this. So I will put negative s squared go to the left, negative number 12 go to the right. This one we have 2s squared. This one we have 18. We divide both sides by number 2. So we have number 9. So we find the solutions of s, and we have s equals to number 3 and s equals to negative number 3. So we put the square root for the both sides. And now the formula of the area that should be about the integration from negative number 3 to positive number 3. So we know that this one that should be about the upper function. This one that should be about the lower function. The upper function that is about this one. So we put the upper function gone here minus the lower function that is about this one. Now we need to simplify this one. And we have 18 minus 2s squared. The integration of 18, we have 18s. And the next one, we have s to the power of number 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from negative number 3 to positive number 3. So positive number 3, I will put this one gone here. Negative number 3, I will put this one gone here. So we calculate this one and we have 72. This is the end. Thank you for watching.